All right, yeah, thank you for watching my video. My name is Monday Chooks. So today I'm going to show you how you can generate up to 23% return on your investment using this newly launched app known as Server XHA. Okay, so if you have not joined the platform, our WhatsApp group before, please kindly join now. This is a link to join the WhatsApp group. You can see it below here. So you kindly join the WhatsApp group. Then you have updates, information on everything that's happening. Now, with that said, let's move straight to the point to set up the account. So what you have to do is to go through the link here. You just click on this link. Then it's going to take you straight to the site where you can set up your account and then download the app. All right, now with this, it has opened. Then the next thing you have to do is to put your phone number. Then you put the captcha. This captcha is not visible clearly. I don't really know what is here, whether it is 00 or what, I don't know. Okay, 007272. Then you put your password. Let me say then you repeat your password. The moment you have put your password, just click on register. Password you type do not match. Okay. I think yeah, it has registered. All right, now the notification here, announcement, kindly ignore. So you go through the message and that's all. Now you just close the announcement here. For the people who are claiming to be admin, usually some people, when they see something good like this, they always want to do one or two things to give them bad name. So what you do, just click on home right here. The moment you click on home, that will take you to the home. So from the home page, you will see everything displayed there. Okay, you have given my balance now here is that's given us 500 naira and thereabout. So what you need to do, just click on download the app. All right, so when you click the download the app, it will download to your phone. Then from there, you can be logging in and doing every other thing that you want to do. All right, so what is going to happen, I'll try to close this now so that I move straight to the point. Then the next thing you have to do is how to fund your account. You select any of the server that you have here. Okay, you have the different server. You have server for 2000, which is the minimum, server C101. Then you have server for 5000, 10,000, 30,000, 50,000, 100,000, 200, and 300,000. Depending on the server, you can afford the one you want to go for. Okay, let's assume you are going for the server of 100,000 thereabout. Just click on this server 100,000 and say, are you sure you want to pay to this server? Then you click on yes, buy now. The moment you click on buy now, the next thing it's going to do is to load up the payment details. Then as you load up these payment details, wait for it to load. After it has loaded, then the next thing you have to do is to go straight to the next point. Okay, there's a little delay, it didn't pop it up. Let me redo it again. Go back to that of 100,000. You click on it, buy now. So the more you click on buy now, then it's going to take us to the next page. So right on the next page, then the network is a little bit slow, that's why this is not loading fast. All right, so we'll just exercise patience for it to come up. The moment it come up, then it will present us the account details where you are going to pay to. So what you need to do is to make sure you follow the instruction exactly as it is. Okay, you follow the instruction exactly as it is, then you make payment. Okay, so then we'll move on. Now it has taken us to the page where we can select the server that we want to pay. Remember, we selected 100,000 here. Just click on the same amount. Then you select the payment gateway. Select payment gateway 1, 2, or if you have a balance, you pay with your balance. Then you click on recharge. The moment you click on recharge, the next thing it's going to do now is to take us to the next page where it will generate the account we are going to pay to. Are you getting it now? If you look at it, the amount is 100,000. Beneficiary is Classic Fee Depot. That's the account name. Account bank is UBA. So the bank here will have a account number 102479. So you have it there. Just make sure you write down everything. Okay, you write down everything. Then this is the narration. Copy this narration. This narration is very, very, very important. Okay, so what you need to do now is to go to your banking app or anywhere you want to make payments. Okay, anywhere you are making payment. If it is a bank deposit you are going to do, copy. This is what I'm going to write as the deposit description. That is this very one you are seeing here, CLFA. If it's your banking app you are using, this is the only thing you are going to put in the description or in the narration or in the, you know what it is there. Just put only this code you are seeing here. That's all. Then you put this account detail into where you want to put. Then you send the payment. The moment you send the payment, it will automatically detect it and will credit your account. Do you get it now? The moment your account is credited, then the moment once you come back to your account, you have seen that the account has been what? Already credited. That's just the way we do it. Once the money comes, then what you have to do is to go back to your account. Then you now check if the account has been funded. In most cases, if you follow everything exactly as I explained it here, your account will be funded under 2 minutes. In less than 2 minutes, it is already funded. So when you come, you see my coin here. My coin here now will have the value of the amount used to fund it. Okay, if you come and you don't have it here, what you need to do, click on me. When you click on me, or you click on order. From here, order, you can see this is the 1,000 they gave you when you sign up. It is there. So once your account is already funded, if you come the order here, it's not there, and you have your money already in your coin there, what you need to do is click on the coin or go back to the list of the coin that you selected at first, the 100,000. Click on it again. It will now automatically debit the amount from your coin balance and it will enter your investment account. Then you click on me here and you come back to this place. From here, if it has not happened, it has not appeared, then you can send them details to show the payment record and everything. So once you come to the payment record, from your payment record there, you'll be able to see how much you have deposited or the amount you sent to them. If you come to payment record, it is not there, then you know maybe there is error from your own side or there is a delay somehow. So what you need to just click on this upload screenshot of payment to confirm it. Just click on upload screenshot. As you click on upload screenshot, you put the name, sender name, you put it here. Then this the screenshot of payment which you send, you upload it here. After you uploaded it, then you click on upload screenshot and everything will go. So in the next 12 hours or thereabout, they will 1 hour to 2 hours, they will cross check it and will update your account. But in most cases, once you follow instruction exactly the way I ask you to do, you don't even need to upload anything. Instantly, it will be, your account will be credited. Is that clear? That is how you register and you fund your account. So go and enjoy this now while it lasts. Remember, only invest what you can afford to lose. Okay, this is a high yield investment and it is a regular something. So only those who understand the process enjoy it. So follow the instruction and you will enjoy it. Thank you for following. Remain blessed.